Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Mariam, consultant clinical hematologist, AFBMTC.
And I'm Dr. Mahnoor, Research Associate, AFBMTC.
Together, we welcome you to the Himal Jeopardy, the Tournament of Champions.
I'm so excited to announce that we are going to have a quiz competition next, and our teams have.
Our teams have come up with very, very exciting names, some of which you might be interested in knowing.
Starting with megakaryocytes
Dr. Arif,
and
Dr. Mahadev Harani, Dr. Zahid Khanzada, a very interesting name, reticulocytes, Mavericks, Brainy Bunch, Top Gun,
AK Warriors, BMT Tigers, SKM Warriors, Guessing Guns, Bloodline
Brigades, Lunacyte Lunatics, Myelocytes, Hemogeniuses, and Onco Olympics.
Can you all please come on stage?
So the participants have already taken their seats. Let me clarify the rules of the games. So this is basically an MCQ session. So a question will be displayed with 4 options, and the participant or the team, they will be given the QR code or the scanning code on their mobiles, and they are to answer the question through the apps. So the team or the participants who answer the highest number correctly and in the shortest time will have the highest score. And that will be displayed alongside each questions as well. I would urge the audience not to give any prompts or answers, and any of the teams caught whispering amongst themselves will be immediately disqualified. Those of you who know me, they know how very serious I am about all this.
All the best, everyone.
Can we please start? So there we go. It's proliferative CMML, chronic myelomonocytic leukemia. It's CMML. Well done, Zahid and Afshin. Shahid and Afshin on the lead. That's an upset.
Even I know the answer to this one. So with that, we have our winners for our first round. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Top Gun. Please raise your hand so that everybody knows who you are.
So the top 10 teams will now proceed to second round. In, I think, less than a minute, the detailed result of all the top 10 teams will be shown on the screen. I'll request the top 10 teams to stay here and rest can just sit back and enjoy.
And please disconnect your Wi-Fi, the teams who are leaving. Please disconnect your Wi-Fi before you leave.
The teams that are leaving that will be disqualified, they will have to after the result.
Bolu?
The results are being displayed. So the top 10 teams will stay and the rest are please requested to move, and also so the teams who are not proceeding to the next round are also requested to please forget their Wi-Fis.
So the teams who are not in top 10 list, we would request them to please sit on the back seats.
And enjoy the rest of the session.
Top Gun. So where is Top Gun? Okay. SKM Warriors, Mavericks, NIBD Brainy Bun, BMT Tigers, Mega Karyocytes, Zahid and Afshin, Genius Dolphins, Reticulocytes, AK Warriors. Okay. So now we'll proceed with second round, and after second round, 3 more teams will lose their place, and top 7 will proceed forward.
So can we please start the next round? Okay, you're waiting for the pin. So we are currently generating the pin for the next session, and I hope the next session is as exciting as this one was.
So, sorry, there'll be 3 rounds. So the round 1 is over, and now there are 10 teams. So after this round, top 5 teams would be selected, and in third round, top 5 teams will compete. So there are 3 rounds actually. Sorry for actually.
So I'm just waiting for the signal. So there we go, round 2. Postsplenectomy with fever. the audience is enjoying and learning as well. Something very close to my heart. So it's classic Hodgkin lymphoma relapse post auto transplant. So it's sickle cell disease with painful leg ulcer. Leukoreduction significantly reduces the risk of CMV transmission. Chronic myelomonocytic leukemia, SF3B mutation.
Wow, reticulocytes on the lead.
Pancreatic CA is the highest cause of cancer-associated VTE.
Captain again on the top.
Severe aplastic anemia, unresponsive to immunosuppressive therapy. CLL with autoimmune hemolytic anemia. Heparin-induced thrombocytopenia with thrombosis. Hit. AML undergoing bone marrow transplant. Antifungal prophylaxis.
So we've got our winners for our round 2. Congratulations. Thank you. It was a close competition between top 1 reticulocytes, BMT Tigers and others.
So this is the end of round 2. So the result of top 17 will be displayed on the screen in the next 5 seconds. So this shows the importance of not only answering correctly but early as well. So we have the results in front of us. So Top Gun on the lead, followed closely by reticulocytes, and then BMT Tigers. And top 5 teams are requested to stay here. So Top Gun and reticulocytes, BMT Tigers, NIBD Brainy Ban, and Dr. Zahid Nafsheen. The rest are please requested to leave so that we can move to the next round. I hope you all are enjoying. We are waiting for our team to share, our IT team to share the login details with the participants. So let's start the next session. This is the final round, and the winners are looking forward to exciting prizes. So 3, 2, and 1. Let's start. So it's mantle cell lymphoma, refractory to initial therapy. Patient with history of GI bleeding. Luminal involvement, it is best to adhere to low molecular weight heparin. High-risk myelofibrosis with splenomegaly, unresponsive to ruxolitinib. Top Gun in the lead. Tazimetostat is an easy H2 mutation inhibitor. And I think it's available as well. So mantle cell lymphoma in the young. Based on the BRIGHT trial and the STELL trial, phase 3 trials. So BR is the preferred induction regimen in mantle cell lymphoma. First line treatment is erythropoietin. Dealing with a very early relapse here. Multiple myeloma with renal impairment, a common scenario.
As the competition is going towards the end, it's getting really interesting.
We're looking at the remission rates here. A newly diagnosed AML. So gliteratinib is approved in the relapse refractory settings and not in the first line.
Question number 16 of 25.
So we have a new non-covalent BTK inhibitor. So it's acute promyelocytic leukemia with a count of 13,000 at baseline. So as per the APML4 trial, incorporating anthracycline. Reticulocytes in the lead again. So that's very, very close.
This is question number 18.
Follicular lymphoma previously responded to rituximab-based therapy. Multiple myeloma with the translocational 1114. In relapse setting, 1114 is exquisitely sensitive to venetoclax.
Top Gun on the lead again.
Classic Hodgkin lymphoma in CR after ABVD. How would you do the follow-up imaging? So clinical judgment is better. Top Gun in the lead again. Essential thrombocytosis with JAK2 mutation. And we're dealing with primary thrombus prevention. Mantle cell lymphoma again.
Question number 23 of 25. We are going towards the end.
So it's better to switch to another class of treatment.
Top Gun still on the lead. I would want the audience to take part as well, like clapping and cheering up the teams. Thank you.
MDS ring syndrome.
Top Gun on the lead. Our last question for today.
What to avoid before CAR T? There might be some problems with the collection as well, with the cell collection. Congratulations, Top Gun.
You nailed it.
Top Gun, followed by BMT Tigers, and then Dr. Zahid and Afshin. A very warm congratulations. Very well performed. I'm so happy and so proud of all of you. Uh, a round of applause of all of you. Yes, and I would like to call upon Dr. Kamrunnisa Chaudhary and my teacher. That is the introduction that is the closest to my heart. Dr. Tariq Ghafoor and Dr. Munira Burhani to the stage to please give away the prizes to the winners. And I would also like to invite upon the stage the Himmel, Dr. Usman from Himmel, and so that the prizes are given away to the winning teams. Congratulations again.
I would like Dr. Zahid and Dr. Afshin to come on stage and get their prize. Thank you. Can we just show some appreciation for them?
Jenna Parvez, can we please have you on the stage as well?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now our second team, BMT Tigers. Please come on stage. Thank you.
So a hefty cash prize of 1 lakh. Wow. Congratulations, BMT Tiger. We are very proud. Now here comes the biggest award. Our winners for today. Top Gun. A huge round of applause for the winners. Thank you so much, dear participants and audiences, for making this session a success.
I would like to add that all the teams did really well, but since it was a competition and we had to choose only 3 of them, so thank you so much.
And we like to have the winners on stage along with the respected jury members for a final photo.
सर मैं कह रहा था ये आप अनाउंस कर
And now there'll be a special prize for the moderator. I must say that Dr. Mariam actually played a pivotal role in actually selecting all these MCQs, preparing them, making absolute confidentiality. No one other than her knew what is going on, and she was actually the backbone. Without that, it could not have been done. So there is a special prize for Dr. Mariam as well, which I would request General Parvez to please give to Dr. Mariam.